In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about how Stripe charges fees, giving you a comprehensive understanding of their pricing model beyond just card payments. So, let's dive in and break down each aspect, starting with online card payments. If you're processing a standard online card payment, Stripe charges a fee of 2.9% of the transaction amount, plus an additional 30 cents per successful charge. This fee structure is quite straightforward and commonly used across many payment platforms. However, when dealing with international cards, there is an extra charge of 1.5%, reflecting the additional complexities and risks associated with overseas transactions. Additionally, if currency conversion is required, an extra 1% is added unless you're depositing into a matching currency account. To give you a clearer idea, imagine you make a $100 sale using an international card. Here's how the fee breaks down. You start with $100, multiply that by 2.9%, then add the 30 cents, tack on the 1.5% for the international card fee, and finally, add the 1% for currency conversion if applicable. That's going to leave you with a 4.70 fee, meaning you will receive 95.30 FAUs from this transaction. Now let's talk about in-person payments using the Stripe terminal. For in-person payments, Stripe has a slightly different fee structure. Here, you'll incur a fee of 2.7% plus 5 cents per transaction. There's also an additional option for contactless payments, which involves a 10-cent fee for the convenience of a tap. This, of course, is optional. It's important to note that Stripe does not charge any setup or monthly fees for this service. However, there are costs associated with the hardware you use to process these payments, such as card readers. For example, a popular choice is the Reader M2, which typically costs around $59. Investing in good hardware is essential for ensuring smooth and efficient transactions in person. Lastly, let's cover bank payments and transfers. When it comes to ACH direct debit transactions, Stripe charges 0.8% of the amount being processed. But don't worry if you're handling larger transactions, as this fee is capped at a maximum of $5. Meanwhile, ACH credit transactions come with a $1 flat fee, which can be quite cost-effective depending on the volume you process. For wire transfers, Stripe charges around $8 per transaction, which is something to consider depending on the nature and frequency of your transactions. Understanding these fees thoroughly is extremely important when planning and managing your financial transactions through Stripe. Each type of transaction carries different costs and considerations, whether you're dealing with digital sales, in-person purchases, or bank-related payments. Awareness of these details empowers you to make the best decisions for your business needs.